In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Airtable support. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to include so you can get help quickly and confidently. Start by opening Airtable and navigating to the base or workspace where you're running into an issue. Having the relevant page open makes it easier to describe what you're seeing and help support understand your context. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the Airtable interface. You'll find the help icon there, usually shown as a small circle with a question mark. Click that icon to open the Help menu. When the Help menu appears, you'll see options for documentation and learning resources. For this walkthrough, choose the option labeled Message Support. This is the direct path to reaching the Airtable team from inside the product, without leaving your current screen or hunting for external forms. As soon as you select Message Support, a small chat window will pop up on your screen. This is your in-app messenger. You can type your question or describe your issue right there, and your message will go straight to the support team. To make your request as effective as possible, briefly summarize the problem in one sentence, then provide the key details, what you were trying to do, the exact steps you took, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If you saw an error message, include the wording exactly as it appeared. If the chat offers an attachment button, adding a screenshot can be extremely helpful for faster troubleshooting. It's also useful to mention which browser or app you're using and your operating system, especially if the issue seems visual or performance-related. Keep your message clear and concise, and avoid sharing any private or sensitive information. No passwords or confidential data. The goal is to give enough detail for the team to reproduce or understand the issue, without exposing anything you wouldn't want shared. After you send your message, you can keep working in Airtable. Replies will appear in the same chat window. If you close the page by accident, reopen the help icon later to return to the conversation thread. For general questions, you'll usually receive guidance or links to the right resources. For more complex issues, the team may ask a quick follow-up, so keep an eye on the chat. And that's all it takes. Open Airtable, click the help icon in the bottom left, select Message Support, and use the chat to reach the team. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the answers you need faster.